Guys, I want to show you how to clean painted wood. It could be wood siding, railing with Simple Green. Now this is the concentrate Simple Green. I've already done a little bit up top and you can actually see the difference. So I just picked this up from Home Depot. You can get it from Lowe's, but this is the concentrated version. I like to use this because you can adjust the concentration depending on the project you're doing. I just went with general purpose, which is 1 ounce of the concentrate per 10 ounces of water, and I just have a big bucket. You can go heavy duty, but that's more for like oil grease stains, and I was kind of worried about the paint with that, but you can up the rate with that. Now this I really like. These are some microfiber towels. It just came in a roll from Home Depot, and with this you can just use this without using something like paper towels where you're going to get, it just would not be a good choice. So these microfiber towels you can throw away when you're done. You don't have to wash them. I do have some nitrile gloves on. These are just like mechanic thick gloves, just in case. I don't want any splinters either. So this is coming off really well. I don't know if this is like algae, mold. I don't think it's dirt. I think it is algae or mold, and I am flipping the microfiber towel over and just to kind of reduce the possibility of splinters. If that were to happen, I've had that happen before. But you can see this is coming off pretty well. Now, one question I get sometimes is this safe for plants? They say it is. I don't apply it to plants, obviously, but if it gets on plants, they recommend spraying the plants around your work area down with water just in case, but I haven't had issues with this before. So this, you can see the railing I'm working on now, that came off pretty easily. And again, don't be bashful with these. I think this was maybe like 10 bucks or something for all these microfiber towels at Home Depot. This is the HDX brand. I was really impressed with these. So I'm probably going to pick up another roll of these, but this is again, the concentrate of the Simple Green. And I'm actually going to attack an area on the ceiling now, which I was actually impressed with, because you see all this algae or mold up here on the actual banister, and just watch this. Look how easily that comes off. Just with the general ratio of the 10-to-1 of the Simple Green. And again, you don't want to like use one microfiber towel for a huge area, because you'll just be spreading it around. Like after that, I would probably go ahead and change out the microfiber towel, but you can see the difference. And I'm going to show you, this is after getting more of this beam. And I'm going to show you actually on this top part where the light blue is, because I was worried the paint would come off with this, but it did not have paint coming off. It was just the algae or mold coming off. And you can see now that's the further progression of the beam, where I've cleaned a lot more off. I'm probably going to go back and just get some of the stuff off I didn't see, maybe one more round, but I do have to do quite a bit more of the ceiling, and then this area underneath here that I'm pointing at with the blue. So I would recommend this. I've used this before inside, and it is good for outside. Just it is non-toxic, but I would recommend the microfiber towels if you are doing a job like this.